Hey there, Python developers. Looking to start your own business but not sure where to find ideas? In this video, I'll share some strategies to help you brainstorm and identify potential business opportunities using your Python skills. Let's dive in. First up, solve your own problems. Think about the challenges you face in your daily work or hobbies. Could you develop a tool or an app to make life easier? For example, maybe you struggle with managing your finances. You could create a personal finance app using Python. Next, look at trends and emerging technologies. Areas like AI, machine learning, and data science are booming. Stay updated with the latest trends through tech blogs, forums, and conferences. Identify gaps in the market or inefficiencies in existing solutions. You might find a niche where you can offer a unique service or product. Another great approach is to leverage online communities. Platforms like GitHub, Reddit, and Stack Overflow are goldmines for understanding what developers are working on and what problems they're encountering. Engage with these communities, contribute to discussions, and pay attention to common pain points that you could address. Also, study successful Python-based businesses. Analyze what makes them successful and think about how you can apply similar principles to your ideas. Whether it's a SaaS product, a mobile app, or a consulting service, there's always something to learn from those who have walked the path before you. Lastly, brainstorm and validate your ideas. Write down every idea, no matter how small. Discuss them with peers or mentors and gather feedback. Validate your concepts by creating MVPs, minimum viable products, to test their feasibility. Remember, the best business ideas often come from a combination of personal passion and market need. Keep exploring, stay curious, and don't be afraid to take the leap. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips on leveraging your Python skills. Thanks for watching.